guys, welcome to my channel Priyanka Chandra. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. So guys, I feel so lucky today. I can't tell you in words how lucky I was. I got the ticket for the much awaited, anticipated movie of this year, that is Spider-Man No Way Home. And I went to the theaters, watched this movie, guys. It is a great movie. I just thoroughly enjoyed the movie. I enjoyed every bit, every scene in this movie, guys. Not only me, also the audience who were sitting there, they were cheering, they were whistling for each and every scene, guys. It is one of the best movie from MCU, I must say. So guys, let me give you a disclaimer. It's going to be a spoiler video. If you have already watched the Spider-Man No Way Home, please do continue watching my video. If not, if you don't want to know the story, I would recommend please stop this video over here. Go ahead, enjoy this masterpiece on the theaters nearby you. So guys, talking about the movie, oh my god guys, to be honest, I'm a huge fan of Marvel movies, also Spider-Man's series. It has been 20 years back when I saw the Spider-Man first part, guys. I was very small at that time. I just fell in love with Spider-Man thing. You know, all those things were so cool in 90s, guys. Like that spider web, like he's flying here and there, and of course the villains, guys. I have to talk about them. They were like something from different universe altogether for us when we were in 90s. Here we see Green Gobbler, and also we see Dr. Octopus, who are the super villains. So seeing them definitely will take you to the childhood memories of your era, I must say, and who comes from the Toby's universe. Of course, there is Lizard and Electro also, who are from Andrew universe. It's just great to see all these villains rephrasing their character once again, guys. And there's so many moments you will definitely cry for sure. Please carry your tissue papers or your kerchief with you. Seriously, I'm telling, this is such an emotional movie, guys, for the people who have loved Spider-Man since their childhood, and seeing them all together is really something amazing, guys. There is no words to explain about it. As I told you, there are so many emotional moments which really touches your heart. There is one scene, guys, where we see a Spidey breakdown, as we didn't expect as the audience that Aunt May would die in this series. I mean, I was really not expecting. I thought she's going to recover or she'll be back, but unfortunately, there is a death of May, and we can see Spidey going through a heartbreak, and that scene really touches your heart. And there's one more scene, guys, which I have to talk. Andrew's scene, okay. There is a climax scene where MJ falls off, and then Spidey is fighting against some bad guys, and then Andrew goes and saves MJ, and he just thinks about her MJ, where he could not save her in that series, you know, that amazing Spider-Man. And I have to talk about one particular scene which was shot so beautifully, guys, especially the fight scene between the Doctor Strange and the Spider-Man, where he is trying to stop and send back them to the universe where they came from, but Spider-Man does not want that to happen. He wants to give them a second chance, you know, but Doctor Strange does not want that, and there is a fight between both of them, and that fight has come out so beautiful, guys. And guys, the entry scene of Tobey, I think many people who are from 90s would have been screaming and shouting when he enters, and of course Andrew also. And all these three coming together, the awesome teamwork that the trio performs definitely steals the show, and the action scenes are flawless, guys. And in the end, all three Spider-Man hug each other, guys. That scene was like, you'll definitely cry with happiness, you know, seeing that scene. It was like, oh my god, what's happening? I was so happy to see this movie, guys. Every single moment in the movie was so deserved and had so much meaning to it, guys. The CGI was amazing, guys. From fight, from scenes, comedy, action, everything was marvelous as always, guys. I thoroughly enjoyed the movie. Round of applause for the entire team to putting us together, all these wonderful Spideys together, guys. I'm so happy to see this movie. I'm definitely going to watch it again if I get the tickets tomorrow. Somehow I got the tickets for today, but I don't know tomorrow I'm going to get it or not. But anyways, guys, talking about the things which I kind of felt very confused or it has not been concluded properly was Toby's role, guys. In the end of the climax, we see him stabbed by the Green Goblin, but it is not concluded whether he's dead or alive. He's not in a good health also, but he goes back to the same universe in the end. So that was not concluded properly, like what was happening with him. Was he dead or is he alive? And guys, I have to talk about the post-credit scene. In the post-credit scene, we see Venom, guys. Of course, the Venom has another franchisee, but here we see Venom living its symbiote for the future Spider-Man. So I didn't like that thing because I was expecting a new villain from this movie, but unfortunately there is no new villain in this movie. So they have taken the old one only, but even though they have left the symbiote for the future Spider-Man, wish it was a new one. Like, you know, we had a cartonnage, like that we would have had another one. And also another thing, that is Doctor Strange, guys. We see an evil Doctor Strange in the post-credit scenes. So I really don't know what is it, because I think they're going to make a new part of it, or it has been attached to the Doctor Strange movie, or another series are coming, so I have no idea. Overall, guys, I just loved it, and seeing Toby and Andrews and Tom all together was like a treat, guys. It was a visual treat. All the people who were sitting in the theater did not stop, guys. They were not at all tired, you know, whistling or shouting or screaming. Everyone enjoyed every single scene which was playing. So guys, tomorrow Pushpa is another big release which is going to be releasing, so I just hope I get tickets for that also. Today somehow I did some jugaad and got the tickets, but I don't know for tomorrow what will be the status. But anyways, guys, I'll keep you posted on that. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you get the notification of all my new videos. And thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel. Please do continue and show more love to my channel. See you with another interesting video, guys, and do not forget to go and watch Spider-Man No Way Home. You will thoroughly enjoy it, and if you're a big fan of Marvel and also Spider-Man, please do go and watch this. Okay, then, see you. Bye bye.